Welcome to episode 2 of Cooking the Coastline, and we're at the wonderful and dramatic Tregudda Gorge. There's a mine down here, there's a beautiful place for sea bass fishing, and it's just a wonderful backdrop. And what we're doing is sardines, which are just coming into season now, one of the most sustainable fish. They're beautiful, they're so good for you, and we're just pairing that with a really simple tomato salsa with some lovely heritage tomatoes, some capers, some shallots, a little bit of lemon juice, olive oil and parsley and seasoning, and that's it. It's so simple. So I'm just going to chop the tomatoes into quarters. Just going to cut them into little cubes. So when you're making any sort of little tomato salad in the summer when the tomatoes are really good, you want them to be nice and warm. Olive oil, sea salt early to draw out the moisture. I love the freshness of the shallot. The capers give that lovely saltiness, and the parsley like fresh tinge at the end. Tiny bit of black pepper at the end, but not much. And that's it. And just make sure you taste it as you go. It's lovely. So now, just a question of cooking the sardines. It's a very oily fish, so you need to just leave it in the pan. Try not to touch it, let that skin crisp up, and then it will release off the pan and you can turn it over. This year Mitch Tonks did their first sardine festival in Brixham. The sardines come in, we had 2 tons of fresh sardines, and we just cooked them all day, like Nathan Outlaw, Mark Hicks, Mitch, a bunch of other chefs from the southwest, and just simply grilled them on a barbecue with a bit of salad, and just queues around the block. You just put wine down on the tables and everyone just sat on it. It's just a brilliant day. It's a real celebration of this great fish. We should be eating more of these. So I've cooked them for about 3 minutes on each side, turn them once, make sure the skin goes nice and brown, and they're very simple to know when they're cooked because you can just literally lift the fillet up, and if it lifts off the bone, it's ready. So there you have it. You can't get simpler than that. Cooked outside, perfect for on the barbecue, great for kids, really healthy. You can't get better.